Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. I love to work on my garden and outdoor landscaping, and that means I need a good hose. So recently I found this metal garden hose from Yereen that has ticked all the boxes for me. This hose is 75 feet, but it also comes in other sizes. I opted for a longer hose because I have a really long driveway that has some newer trees along it that need some day-to-day watering. In all honesty, this is my first experience with a stainless steel hose, and I'm really impressed. The hose itself is made out of 304 stainless steel, and it is truly kink-proof. I've never had any issues with water pressure due to kinks. I also don't have to worry about annoying holes. I can pull the hose over rocks or any sort of ground covering, and I don't have to worry about them perforating it. I love that even though it's stainless, it's very light and easy to drag around my property, making for a very enjoyable watering experience. The hose comes with a heavy-duty solid brass nozzle and a 7-function spray gun. I like to use the spray gun personally because it gives me options depending on what I'm using it for. Every garden or outdoor space needs a good quality hose, and I feel like I found that with this metal garden hose from Yereen. And that's my point of view.